Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications and extend the list. Somewhere between the toggles you'll locate a screen recording toggle, which for me it's right over here, as you can see. Now once you see your toggle, you want to hold it, which does apparently nothing, so I guess we don't hold it, we just click on it. Now usually you would have access to settings by holding it, but it looks like we don't have any kind of settings right here, so the only setting that we have is once you tap on it to turn on or off your microphone. Now you can start your recording by clicking on this red play button. As you can see, it changes into this circle right here, so whatever you'll do right now will be recorded. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like we have an option to turn off the tracking for the pressing on the display. As you can see, there's this circle following me. This just signifies where I've been pressing my finger on the display, which will be visible on the recording. Obviously, you can open up any kind of app and it will be recorded. From there, and select stop, and this will automatically save the screen recording to your Photos application. So right over here. And it looks like the screen recording will be located in the library under Movies. Oh, okay, so it's already playing. So there we go, that's the screen recording. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.